Vaseline and lemon hacks for glowing skin, smooth lips, and scratch-free glasses. In this video, we'll explore the skincare benefits of mixing Vaseline with lemon, a cost-effective solution for achieving healthy skin. Viewers can expect to learn about the advantages of this simple combination and how to use it effectively. We invite you to share your location and thoughts on this topic in the comments. To create the Vaseline and lemon mixture, you'll need 2 tablespoons of Vaseline and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Begin by preparing a steam bath. Place the Vaseline in a heat-safe bowl over simmering water until melted. Mix in the lemon juice thoroughly to ensure maximum effectiveness of the blend. Before applying the Vaseline and lemon mixture, cleanse your face thoroughly to remove impurities. This solution offers anti-aging benefits by hydrating and rejuvenating the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines. For optimal results, incorporate this treatment into your skincare routine regularly to maintain hydration and promote a youthful glow. To create a nourishing lip scrub, you'll need 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half a tablespoon of almond oil. Mix the ingredients and gently apply the scrub to your lips, massaging in circular motions. For best results, leave it on for 5 minutes to enhance softness and plumpness. To remove scratches from glasses, mix equal parts of Vaseline and non-abrasive toothpaste. Apply the mixture to the scratched area using a soft cloth, gently rubbing in circular motions. Expect improved clarity after application. Be patient, and if scratches persist, repeat the process until you achieve the desired results for your lenses. We appreciate your support and interest in our video. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Don't forget to share this video with friends who might benefit from it. Explore our channel for related content and stay tuned for more exciting skincare solutions. In summary, we discussed the skincare benefits of using Vaseline and lemon, along with its additional uses for lip care and removing scratches from glasses. These versatile solutions can enhance your beauty routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and share this video with others who might find it helpful.